Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Nick Flair here, and if my voice sounds different, it's because I just woke up and I had an idea for a video. I'm going to show you how I created KingMushy in my last game, in my game. So what I started with was a cylinder, shade smooth, and now I went into edit mode, selected this top half, resized it, and then I went to this bottom half, used a bevel to use the bevel to do this, and now that the bottom half is already done. Then I got an icosphere, shade smoothed, and then went into edit mode. Top half, selected the entire top half, deselected these two, and then I just hit P by selection, tab, got rid of this bottom half, edit mode again, edit mode, and then I selected this bottom half, hit fill, and now I have this. So now I can just pop that thing on up here, and now I have the mushroom thing. And actually, I'm just going to resize this a little bit. So yeah, now I have the little mushroom figure. And what I also did was I got another icosphere, and then just resized it slightly. And then used these for the eyes. Just like that. So I just resize that, outline that a little bit. So now I can just copy this over here and make it a little bit bigger, and there we go. So now I can just Control J these together. And then what I did was I went into shading, added a material, added an image texture, new image, color, base color. So now I have some eyes. And then I did this, did the same thing, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now everything has a texture, and I can go to texture paint, and then I usually use this kind of color to do the bottom half, because I just like this color, and if I can just resize this to make it go faster. Now I have it, and then what I usually do is for this top half, I use this kind of color, so I can just do this. And there we go. Now I have KingMushy.